Just put. Hi my loves, welcome to a new vlog. CM, I'm out and about. I have been out since 10 a.m. My sister is around, so she's with the kids. Okay, so I'm going to NIN office to get my name done, like to sort it out. It's just a lot, you guys. Since when now? It's been like how many years now? Since Toya was a baby, that was when I started it. They shout, they were just postponing me, telling me to come back today, come back tomorrow, blah 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 and blah. I'm going to the mall today to get my cream skincare product. Wow, this house is so cute, so cute. I'm going to get my skincare product. Like, money just there for my hand, so that's why I've not gotten it since then. But now, thank God, I have money now. So yeah, let's go. I'll be going to the bank as well. Zenith is just Zenith. All right, let's go. Place, you guys. This is the place. Hi. Good. So, what do you go about it? Network issue. You guys, I am done here. I'm going to the bank now. So they said that the bank has already done it for me. That's my bank already did it for me. So I just have to go and print it out. So that's what I have to do. I'm going to I'll go to any cyber cafe and just print it out. So yeah, let's go to the bank. Just left this bank. Zenith. At this point, I might just have to close my Zenith accounts.
No need to suffer. If you hold on for neck, you go carry money. If you hold on for body, you go carry baby. Up one noga, biggie man, brother, so jolly. You know the suffer like biggie man. No matter the matter, brother, up one noga, biggie man, brother, so jolly. You know the suffer like biggie man. No matter the matter, brother, up one noga, biggie man, brother, so jolly. You know the suffer like biggie man. No need to suffer. If you hold on for neck, you go carry money. If you hold on for body, you go carry baby. Up one noga, biggie man, brother, so.
Hi my loves. So I have gotten home. Everything I went to buy from Fax, they're all here. So I said I should show you guys now. So I got this one for Tovia. I just want her to have different series. This one is Moon and Star. I got this for Tovia cream for Tovia as well. Then this for Tovia. I just want to try it. Cerelac Junior Maize and Wheat. This one is for Jessie. This one is Nutrilac. I think I used this for Tovia once. This one I got for Jessie. This one is a Frisica instant cereal. I got sugar. I'm out of sugar. I got chocolates for bread. Peanut butter, like we have missed peanut butter in this house. We have so missed peanut butter. And yeah, I got peanut butter for Tovia. She likes it a lot. And wicker for my hair. For Jessie to drink water and juice. Cream for my husband. This cream is so good. If you are dark skin, you should check this out. Cream for myself, body cream for myself. This one is perfect and radiant. Okay, body soap for Tovia and Jessie. This soap, cleansing soap for myself. I've not gone to the market, so I use this bar soap and cottage fresh. Gavia baby lotion for Tovia. Gavia baby lotion for Tovia. Pears for Jessie. Cousin's baby oil. I got flour from Fax as well. I want to try their flour. I got this one 400 naira. 400. I went to the market. I got this for I don't know what I used to do, sha. I got this one's 1-2 for 6. What else? So I got a toy for Tovia. We saw the picture here. It's not yet nice with her. Yeah, that's it, you guys. What else? The other things I got, I think that's it basically. I bought mangoes. So you guys, I got clothes for Tovia. I almost forgot to show you guys. So I got this one is a jeggings jean for Tovia. These are jeggings. 400. This pretty skirt for her. So pretty. So expensive. So yeah, if you have watched to this extent, and I'm sure you like the video, if you like this kind of videos, a day in my life, chaotic day in my life, okay, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll see you guys around. Yeah,